guys, this is James from FenceSupplyCo.com. Today I'm going to show you the differences between the standard Puljak and the reverse Puljak, the A2-1-2 and the C2-1-2. So the differences between the two are your A2-1-2 has the slotted head where the tension bar goes, and then the A-type body that goes around the post. On your reverse, it's the opposite. So the head goes around the post, and then the body goes around the tension bar. Now I'm going to show you when to use each one. So here we have the post and the tension bar. To do any work in this area, you're going to have to wrap the body around the post and the head around the tension bar and tighten it down. Now, as you can see, as you tighten it, the rod extends way beyond the post. So in a regular fence setting, that's perfectly fine. But if you have an obstruction right here, that's not possible. So that's where the reverse comes into play. Now, as you can see, we have a post and it's up against an obstruction. Now with the regular Puljak, as you saw over there, that pole would try to go through this. That won't work. So we have the reverse Puljak. The head goes around the post and your body goes around the tension bar, like so. And that's how you would use the reverse Puljak. So if you do jobs that have obstructions where you have to stretch the fence up against the obstruction, the C2-1-2, the reverse Puljak, is ideal for those jobs. If you don't come up with those very often, the regular, the A2-1-2 is perfectly fine. But if you do have to, up against a wall or obstruction or anything like that, this reverse is perfect for you.